What if your gas bottle was a cube instead of a cylinder? Spoiler, it would explode into backyard shrapnel before your ribs even marinate. Meet Vera, a fearless sheet of steel determined to avoid that fate. Step 1. Vera is sliced from a steel coil thicker than 2 stacked coins. Flat as a pancake, she already dreams of becoming a dome. A giant press slams down, forming her into a shallow bowl with one thunderous whomp. Why a bowl? Not a cube? Curves share the load like friends splitting the bill. Sharp corners act like playground bullies, focusing force until metal tears. Quick math. 8 atmospheres is like 8 elephants balancing on a pizza crust. Spread that force smoothly, and metal sighs happily. The presses strike again, deepening Vera into a half-orange shell. A twin shell is made. They meet rim to rim for the wedding weld. Robot arms spin the halves as a glowing wire stitches them together with molten steel. As the seam cools, ripple footprints prove a perfect bond, tree rings for metal. But how do we know Vera won't burst during taco night? Enter the hydrostatic test, a spa day with brutal honesty. She's flooded with cold water and pressurized far past her future workload until she sweats. Water is kind. If something fails, there's no boom, just wet socks. Sensors sniff for permanent stretch. Yield, the point of no return. She passes. Yet another danger lurks over decades of service. Tiny rust pits and micro cracks can grow like sneaky termites in wood. Engineers fight back with a 3-word credo: inspect, track, retire. Every few years, Vera receives an ultrasonic massage. Sound waves expose internal wrinkles. Think bat sonar, but rating crow's feet. Numbers hit the charts. If thickness drops below code, a warning flag pops. ASME Section VIII sets strict margins long before the kaboom. Numbers alone are dull, so inspectors add dye that glows like disco juice. Cracks drink the dye. Under UV, they flash like neon lightning. If lightning appears, Vera is retired and reborn as garden furniture. Better a bench than a bomb, right? So why not chuck every bottle after one summer? Because steel is precious, and testing extends life safely, saving cash and carbon. Airplanes use the same round pressure logic, just swap burgers for humans. Square corners in a plane would snap at every cloud bump. No thanks. Submarines, rockets, and even ketchup packets follow the same curvature gospel. Round saves pounds in weight, money, and headaches. But what if pressure keeps rising, like a dragon stuck inside? That's why engineers add safety valves. Tiny brass noses that sneeze gas before danger. If a valve chirps, swap cylinders immediately. Skip the heroic slow-motion run. Finally, stamping day. Every bottle gets a birth year and expiry tattoo. Most countries retire them after about 15 summers. Sooner if inspections complain. So next cookout, tilt your cylinder, read the date, and salute the invisible math protecting lunch. Remember Vera, born round, tested often, recycled kindly. So ribs roast, not people. Curves conquer pressure, corners court chaos. And that, backyard physicist, is why your gas bottle is basically a metal bubble in safety goggles.